Alright, this might not be as dramatic as y'all want it to be, but this is the final phase of me attempting this. Well, except for the part where I get wet. I think in the other video I mentioned the snafu with the foam. It didn't set up because it couldn't vent the gases. I came back and stabbed some holes in it with my knife, and it went ahead and foamed up some, but the duct tape did not work. So, and yes, duct tape, not Gorilla Tape. Because the intent was to take the tape off. But notice all the gaps. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll bring you all over for a closer look. Do not worry, I have a better plan. Well, I have another plan anyway. Still involves duct tape. So. Mostly this right here is just going to be cosmetic, and well, wouldn't be really a serviceable kayak if it wasn't something you'd want to be seen in. Waited too long to try to take this tape off. This being Gorilla Tape, there wouldn't be no getting it off. There all the uglies are. I had big old holes in there. They'll be glued together though. Here's my new plan. I buy old tablecloths at garage sales. I buy these old tablecloths at garage sales and I use them for drop cloth. Very carefully remove your scissors. Power tool safety. Always practice power tool safety because it gives dash out a warm, fuzzy feeling. Actually, I think he's afraid I'm going to kill myself with the power tool before I launch the boat. then you wouldn't get to see me drown. How many of y'all thought about cheap rock costs like that until right now? Some of you have, I know you have. Move y'all a little closer, a little different angle when I do that other side so you can see what I'm doing. Again, this ain't no how-to video, people. You don't blame it on me if y'all build one of these wind up drown. That's y'all's fault. No, I sure wouldn't watch somebody do something like this on YouTube and try to do it. It's okay. Missed that. That's all right. We'll modify the plan as we can. We'll modify it that way. Modify it a little bit. Anyway, basically just pulling the slack out of it. And these screws aren't to hold it in place. They're to hold it in place long enough for me to put the foam, and then I am actually going to put some Flex Seal on it to give it some resilience. That's a fancy word for making it a little stronger. Now I may be doing all this for nothing. But I want this here because if this is full of foam and it's got some kind of fiber or something over it, like this cloth, then the chance of it pulling, or that the weight scissoring in the middle, is reduced without me having to put a bunch of extra weight on it and make it where I can't get the thing in the daggone lake without having to hire help. The beauty about the way these screws are made, they poke a little tiny hole in there and then run them threads through that plastic. Then they ain't gonna leak water. Put y'all back over here. Probably gonna leave all this in there so y'all can get all drunk and stuff. See what all it, I mean, this is what it takes to make these silly little videos, folks. There's a lot of moving and pushing and twisting and pulling. Did I say pulling? Jump around, and I gotta edit all this kind of junk out because nobody wants to see all that mess. Seriously, right now I cannot express how disappointed I am in the fact that the foam I get from the Walmart has more foam in it than I do from the hardware, and I pay $2 more for the stuff the hardware. Reckon they do that on purpose? It'd be kind of nuts. Possible. Maybe we'll get some more pieces of parts. Oh, they didn't stop. Try it again. Went and got some washers. Put on some of these screws so they can't pull through that plastic. In theory. I'm not going to take any of the other screws out. I'm going to add to increase the surface area of the head. That's the got, you know, here's your regular screw head, and then just putting washer on. Now rock them. Fender washers, that's what they call. That's what they call them, fender washers. Just y'all look, you don't need to look at my belly, B. Look at my belly button. Y'all kind of throw it off. Last time y'all was looking at my butt. Yeah. Only thing left to do now is get the thumb off and go put it in the water. So, and that sets up. That's it. Might do a little painting or something. Won't be nothing fancy. But not quite to the live stream yet, guys. We're getting there. We ain't quite made it. Don't give up on it. Leave that like that, maybe. Keep me from drowning. This ain't pretty. It's probably not the smartest thing I've ever done either. But I have done with this the same as I do with all the things I build around here. Well, can you do it? Because chances are the first time you build something, it's going to be wrong. You know, even if it works. Because you can always, okay, that didn't work, back up and do over, and you can work through it. You know, it's problem solving. You get started on something that doesn't work, you back up and you do it different. And then you wind up with a finished product that's serviceable, we hope. That's why it's key to get out and practice the things you're watching us other people do here on YouTube. Get out and practice working with your hands. Practice starting fires. Practice cooking on an open fire. Barbecue pit, that's cool. Or Walmart get you, or Walmart, wherever, doesn't matter. I have to even Target, whoever. Get you one of them little cheap $20 hibachis. Build your fire in it. Cook your hamburger there. Don't use charcoal. I mean, do it. I mean, it'll pay off. You want to know if you can add your own bathroom onto your house? Build a chicken coop. Even if you ain't got no chickens, build a chicken coop, put it on Craigslist. Somebody will want it. But after you build that chicken coop, you'll know a little bit about running tools and running a tape measure. You'll know the thinking that goes in behind doing all this stuff. You want to build a kayak? Go get you some barrels. Figure it out on your own. Try to make them the same barrel. This is a little fun right here. Don't get barrels that have detachable rings. I can give you that advice. But the other way you're going to learn how to do any of this stuff, or to know if you could actually do any of this stuff, like build a bow out of that stick right there, is do it. You know, first time I grabbed a nail gun, I didn't know how to use it. Nearly nailed myself to the wall. I had to get walked through running a circular saw. I've used one so much now that the things I do with it make other people friends. You're not going to be a hero at this stuff overnight, but you're not going to be able to do it until you get out there and do it. And it's fun. I mean, it's 98 degrees out here. I'm standing under a shade tree sweating my butt off working on the boat. That I'm going to replace with the $200 Walmart brand. Or Sun Dolphin or whatever it's called. But I want to know if I could do it. Still not 100% sure. Because I think it's going to fill up with water. I think it'll float, but that's just because it's got foam in it. I had a couple little finishing touches, and then we'll put it in the water. Y'all get out and practice this stuff. Play around, have some fun. Learn how to stay alive and not die. And that's what you're here for, right? Let's learn how to do that. Figure out how to do something somebody else might not know how to do it. Shoot video. Shoot videos while you're doing it. Catch yourself messing up. Don't show nobody else if you don't want to. Then you can look back, you can watch it. Watch yourself what you do. You'll see where you messed up. The way they do it in football, basketball, tennis, all them things we pay people millions of dollars so we can sit and run the boob tube. Not that bad an idea. God bless y'all. Y'all still alive, don't die. All I'm going to do is put a little cap on the front. You ain't going to miss nothing. Then put those little orange things to maybe keep me from drowning. That's it. I'm gonna build the water wings and take them with me. And like I say, that's gonna be a board that I could screw over this end right here. That's got a couple of jugs on it. That way if it wobbles and I need to put them on there, I can. Or I've got a closet rod, wooden closet rod, come out of a house tore down a few years ago. Been leaning up against the wall for 5, 6 years. I'm gonna shave a flat spot on both ends of it and put me about 4 screws through a couple of pieces of that black plastic I got there. And put my life jacket on, I'm gonna float this. There you go. That's it. I'm gonna quit talking. Y'all really don't hear no more, do you? You think so? You want close up? I'll get y'all close.